Borealis Organization Setup. The following video explains how to create an organization in Borealis. An organization allows an installer or dealer to submit tax-exempt status, and it facilitates the easy setup and management of multiple systems. Note: to create your organization, you should have already registered for a Borealis operator account and then verified your new account from the welcome email that you should have received. Open a web browser and enter carry.atheros.net. The Borealis login screen will appear. Log into Borealis with your registered username and password. The Create System screen will appear. Click Organizations listed on the left to display the Organizations screen. Click the Create button located on the right side of the screen, and you will see the Create Organization window. Enter an organization name. Enter a contact name for the organization, and enter a contact phone number. Check the box to confirm you are a dealer, installer, or reseller. Check the box to confirm the organization is tax-exempt. Enter the tax ID for the organization. Optionally, you can also add additional notes. Select the country where the organization is based. Select the state or region for the organization. Enter the zip or postal code for the organization address. Scroll to the bottom of the window and enter the street address for the organization. In the Supporting Documents section, click the Choose File button. Locate a document on the host PC that proves tax-exempt status. Click the Save button. After the new organization information has been submitted, it can take up to 1 business day for the organization to be approved. Until then, the status will show as pending. Important note: you should not attempt to create a new system until the organization status shows as approved. Once approved, the organization owner will be able to edit the organization, add organization users, and create a new Borealis system. Add organization users. Organization users will be able to create new systems and assign them to the organization. To add an organization user, the additional user must first have registered and verified their Borealis operator account. Log into Borealis as the organization owner. Click on Organizations from the menu on the left. Click on the organization name, and you will see the organization details. Click the Organization Users tab. Then click the Add User button on the right. Enter the email address for the new organization user, then click the Save button. The new organization user will be added, and a confirmation email will be sent to their registered email address.